Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up an appointment booking website with Squarespace. So first thing first, what you're going to do is you're going to want to create an account first. I've already created mine, but if you haven't, you can go ahead and start creating one first before you continue and watch this video. So as you know, you can actually create some website with Squarespace, and here are some of the websites that you can create. You can create portfolios or blog, and you can also see the overview of your website if you already created one. You can also create an online store with Squarespace, and if you would like to build your brand, you can use their SEO tools, creator tools, and logo maker. But the one that we're going to create right now is actually going to be an appointment booking website. So already in Squarespace templates page, and through here you'll be able to take a look at the templates that you have. Some of the templates that you can take a look at is templates for online store, for portfolio, memberships, blog, scheduling, one-page courses, and service. So in order to create my appointment booking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the scheduling template. And then there is a lot of templates that I can choose. And here are the name. We got Emmeline, Reseda, Rotate, Mira, Clove, Lori, etc. So let's say that I'm interested to use the Clove one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And the first step that you will be able to do when you're trying to design or to create your website is to choose on the color presets for your website. So let's say that I'm going to go with probably this one. I'm going to use this one as my color palette, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Start Design. Now we can start and name our site. So let's say the site is going to be for Pilates appointment booking. So it's going to be Sunshine Pilates. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And then it's going to show me that I can edit pages, create pages if I need, as well as style the site. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started. Alright, so this is how my website looks like. Currently, I still have the text or the wording from the original templates. And if I want to change that, all I have to do is click on Edit. And let's say that I want to change this into Book Your Pilates Appointment Sunshine Pilates. Alright, and I'm also going to delete this. Then let's say I'm going to save this for now. Obviously, I can also change the pictures if I want. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. I'm going to go ahead and click on Exit. And through here, I'll be able to settings even more. So if you click on website, you'll be able to see on all of the page that we got. But the part that we're going to work with today is actually going to be the scheduling part. This is where we can create our appointment booking page. So first, you're going to want to click on scheduling, and it's going to bring me into this page right here. So first, I'm going to want to create an appointment type. So I can choose whether I want the appointment size to be a personal or a group. So because it's a Pilates, I'm going to choose class or group as the appointment size. Then let's say the name is going to be Sunshine Pilates class, and then the duration will be around 45 minutes. And the price is going to be 100,000 rupiah. Then I can also choose on the amount of people I can put on my class. So let's say it's going to be limited to 10 people. And then I can choose on which day would I like to offer this class. So let's say that it's going to be March 20. And then I'm going to start the class at around 6 p.m. So it's going to be alright. And then will it be a recurring class or not? Let's say yes, it's going to be. And I can choose whether it's going to be, let's say, every Wednesday or every fourth Wednesday or every 20th date. or will it be daily, etc. Let's say I'm going to create a class on every Wednesday, and it's going to be around 5 times of recurrence. Then I can click on create appointment type. Now that I got the appointment type created, I can also set the availability. And let's say that I will not be available on Wednesday because it's going to be the day of the class. But other than that, if my client would like to contact me, I'll be able to talk to them throughout this time. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And now we're going to want to schedule. And now we're going to want to design our scheduling page. So go ahead and click on that. And for the templates, you can choose whether it's going to be a monthly template or a daily one. And it says here the monthly is going to be best for clients booking more than a week in advance. And the daily is going to be best for when clients always try to find the earliest convenient time. I'm going to go with the daily one. And then the business name is just going to be the same as Suntrans Pilates. And here for the business industry, I'm going to say fitness. And adding a logo will actually make your page to be more professional, but I'm just going to skip it for now. And if you don't have a logo yet, you can also create one with Squarespace. Next, you can add an instructions. Let's say you're going to say bring your own Pilates gloves, and let's say bring your own water bottle or something like that. You can put whatever instruction that you would like to put, and then you can set on when the week will start, the time format, as well as the language that you want to put on your scheduling page. And then you can also change the font if you want. They have selections of font that you can choose. Let's say I want to choose this Allegria fonts instead. And as for the button accents, you can also choose whatever color. I'm going to go with, I guess, this orange yellow, and then go ahead and click on save changes. All right, now that I got the page done being design, I can take a look at how it looks like by clicking view client scheduling page. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's going to show on the requirements that I've just put it, and this is what the page looks like. We got the time and date, as well as the durations of the class, when the class start, and then the price of the class and the amount of spot that the class still have. And it also will show on the other class that are still open. So let's say I'm going to go with the class next week. Go ahead and choose on that one. Then I'm going to have to insert on my name, my last name, phone number, as well as email. And then last but not least, after I finish that, I can just go ahead and fill in the confirmations form. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an appointment booking page with Squarespace. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.